So let us discuss the MCQs of logo. Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. Before this, let us know what a computer is. Computer is an electronic machine which is used to do a variety of jobs. It can be used to draw drawings and shapes. It can do calculations. It can be used to watch movies, to listen music and play games. It is also used to send and receive mails and chats with the friends. So in today's topic, we will discuss about logo. Computer is a special machine that can do a variety of tasks at a time. Now logo is a computer language. It is designed for small children, for kids to make graphical pictures, mathematical shapes and small mathematical calculations. So the first question of today's session is, computer is a dash machine. And the options are electric machine, electronic, mechanical or optical. So a computer is an electronic device, electronic machine. So right option here is option B, electronics. Now second question is, a computer can be used for drawing, option B calculations, option C watching movies and option D all of the above. So here the right option is all of the above, because computer is a special machine that can do a variety of tasks at a time. Can draw, can use for calculation, can be used for watching movies. So right option is all of the above. Question number 3 is, let us switch over to today's topic, that is logo. Logo is a, option A is computer language, option B is application, option C is hardware and option D is none of the above. And here the right option is computer is, logo is a computer language. Now what is a language? A language has its own syntax. Every computer language has its own syntax, own rules of writing programs, and same the logo is also having. So logo is a computer language. If we will not follow the proper syntax of the rules, the system will show error. There is error, syntax error. So every programming language is having its own syntax, its own rules of writing the program. Now question number 4 is, which among these is not a computer language? Option A is logo, option B is basic, option C is Google and option D is Fortran. So logo is a computer language, language of graphics oriented. B basic, basic is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, again it's a language. Google is a search engine, it's not an, it is not a computer language. And formula translation Fortran. So here which among these is not a computer language? Here the right option is option C, Google. Google is not a computer language, it is an search engine. Now next question is, logo was designed by Charles Babbage, option B is Samuel Papert, option C is Herman Hollerith and option D is Blaise Pascal. So logo was designed by Samuel Papert. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. He invented the first analytical engine. Then Samuel Papert, he is the developer of logo language. Samuel Papert, along with his colleagues, developed logo language. So here the right option is option B, Samuel Papert. Now question number 6 is, logo commands are known as, the commands which are used to write logo programs are known as, option A is statement, option B is sentences, option C is primitives, and option D is commands. So logo commands are known as primitives. So right option here is option C, primitives. Now question number 7 is, logo language is easy to understand for beginners, easy for beginners. Option B is graphics oriented. Option C is interesting for kids. And option D is all of the above. So here the right option is option D, all of the above, as logo is very easy for learners, beginners. It is graphics oriented. It is interesting for kids. So right option is all of the above. Now next question of this session is, logo cursor is known as turtle, sprite, dot, or line. So logo cursor is known as turtle. Logo commands are known as primitives and logo cursor is known as turtle. Question number 9 is, the main components of logo screen is title bar and menu bar, toolbar. Option C is command window and graphic window, or all of the above. Again here the right option is all of the above, as these all are the main components of the logo screen. Title bar, menu bar, toolbar, command window, graphics window, these all are the main components of logo screen. Question number 10 of this session is, this command moves the turtle in forward direction. A is FD, option B is BK, option C is RT, option D is LT. And here the right option is option A, FD. The command which moves the turtle by the specified number of steps is FD, forward. Question number 11 is, BK command moves the turtle forward, backward, right, or left. Very much clear from the name itself, BK stands for backward. So BK command moves the turtle in backward direction. So option B is the right option, backward. Question number 12. This command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. Option A is home screen, option B is draw, option C is repeat, option D is pen up, and here the right option is option A, home. The center of the screen is the home of the turtle. So when we type home, it brings the turtle to the center of the screen. Question number 13 is, HT stands for home, hide turtle, hide text, or hide tool. So HT is a logo primitive which stands for hide turtle. It makes the turtle to disappear from the screen. Question number 14 is, clear screen and draw commands erases everything on, option A is graphics window, Option B is command window. Option C is both A and B. And option D is none of the above. Now clear screen. It will clear the screen. Screen means graphic window. Okay. So clear screen and draw is also having the same function. Clear screen and draw command erases everything on the graphics window. Whatever is drawn on the graphics window, these commands erases that. So right option here is option A, graphics window. Now question number 15. This command helps to clear the command window. Command window is, there are in main components of window, there was graphics window as well as command window also. Screen of logo is divided into two portions, graphics window and command window. Graphics window is where the shapes appear. When we give command, the shapes appear on graphics window. And command window, down below, there is command window. Whatever we type, whatever commands we give in logo, that are shown on the command window. So now the question is, this command helps to clear the command window. CS, HT, CT or PU. And here the right option is option C, CT. CT stands for clear text. So whatever text is written on the command window, that get erased with the help of CT command. Question number 16 is, this command hides the turtle. Options are HT, ALT, RT and ST. So HT is the command which hide the turtle. HT stands for hide turtle. Next question is, question number 17 is, this command will make the turtle reappear on the screen. When we have hide the turtle by using HT command, we want to reappear the turtle again on the screen, then we will press which among these, HT, ST, RT or LT? It will be ST. ST stands for show turtle. Now question number 18 is, by default the turtle is in its, option A is PD, option B is PU, option C is PE and option D is FD. So by default the turtle is in its PD position, pen down position. It is in pen down position. Question number 19 is, this command likes and works like a eraser. Eraser is used to erase anything from the notebook. So same, the logo command, this logo command behaves like an eraser. And the options are, option A is PD, option B is PU, option C is PE and option D is LT. And here the right option is PE. PE stands for pen erase. This command is like an eraser. It erases the lines or the portion drawn in the logo graphics window. So next question and last question of this session is, this is used to repeat the commands n number of times. Option A is repeat, option B is pen up, option C is clear, option D is draw. And here the right option is option A, repeat. Repeat command is used to repeat the same commands for a fixed number of times. So these are some very interesting and useful questions, MCQs of logo language. Please watch the video carefully, like it, subscribe it and enhance your knowledge.